From lifted trucks to daily commuters and everything in between, TrakMotive has a CV axle built for the job. We don't just offer OV replacement, we engineer specialized solutions for real-world challenges. Our Xtended Travel CV Axles are designed specifically for lifted vehicles. They offer extended articulation and increased suspension travel, so lifted trucks can perform without pushing joints past their limits. When vehicles are built to work hard, our HD Xtreme axles deliver. With reinforced joints, upgraded materials, and heavy-duty boots, they're built to stand up to tough environment and higher loads. And when quiet performance matters, our monoblock tube axles are the answer. The one-piece center bar design reduces NVH, that's noise, vibrations, and harshness, for the same smooth, quiet operations drivers expect from the factory. Whether it's for a lifted truck, a fleet workhorse, or a daily driver, TrakMotive gives you the confidence to say, yep, we've got the right axle for that. Engineered for every application. Trusted by pros, that's TrakMotive.